Control number 41951, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Reynetas Luna, age of 29. I am single. I have one brother and one sister. I am the youngest sibling in my family.
What is your educational attainment?
My educational attainment is vocational for caregiver in Kalayan Educational Foundation
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to provide financial of my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I've been working in Hong Kong for 1 year and 5 months.
What kind of work you had in Hong Kong?
Taking care of elderly.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
What can you do for elderly?
Changing diaper, riding in a wheelchair, and taking care of my patient to hospital.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can cook Chinese food like steamed vegetable and steamed fish, and also a Filipino food like adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I'm honest and hardworking as a helper.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I will tell to my employer, say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. If you choose me, I will be honest and responsible to my work and to finish my 2 years contract and more. And thank you.